Now today we're going to be talking about the different categories of connective tissue, right? So connective tissue has many categories underneath it, right? Because again, we're only defining it by these specialized cells with a specialized matrix. But there's many ways to do it, and we need to categorize them and define them so we know what we're looking at. We have three major categories. So we have connective tissue proper. So these are the ones that when we first define connective tissues, we're really only talking about these proper tissues. The next we have are the supporting connective tissues. And then the last one is the fluid connective tissues. And then from within there, we have some more specialized, kind of deeper within. So with connective tissue proper, we have dense, which is primarily because of the amount of protein that we find in the matrix, or loose. So we do not have as much of the protein and we have more fluid. Then the supporting connective tissues we can separate into two categories as well, where we have bone and we have cartilage. And then for connective tissues, you can also separate that into two as well, with blood and lymph. Blood and lymph we'll discuss more during the cardiovascular sections, right? But if we're going to keep separating, you can keep building down from there. If you want to think about how to separate between the three, the fluid connective tissues, think about them as ones that circulate through the body. If you want to figure out what we're thinking of as supportive connective tissue, think of one that's giving our body its structural framework. And then for connective tissue proper, think what is holding my organs together. We can talk more about the other tissues as we go through. So what's holding the tissues together are connective tissue proper. The structural framework is the supporting connective tissues, and then the ones that circulate are going to be our fluid connective tissues.